fifth grade. Welcome back to Learning with Mrs. Cook McVitie.
I hope you all took some time over spring break to relax, to read, and to get ready for the last leg of This Is Learning.
We're going to ease back into things with just a quick review of the different types of conjunctions that we've learned.
And then tomorrow, we're going to get an introduction to interjections.
I still have my office hours every day from 1 to 2. Hope to see you there. One new thing is that your homework is now due the first thing on Friday morning. That way, if there's anything missing, I have the day to email you. So today's just going to be a quick conjunction review over the last 3 lessons we did before break, just to get your brain restarted and remembering what a conjunction is. So conjunction, junction, what is your function? It hooks up words, phrases, and clauses. The good news is that of all of the assignments from last 3 lessons, 97% of all assignments were handed in. That is an awesome, awesome number. I'm very, very proud of you. I emailed each of your families if there was something that was missing. Just take a little bit more time on those Google Forms. Same thing with the no red ink. I understand sometimes we get stuck, but there were a few that were incomplete that I bet if you would have gone back and taken another look at, you would have been able to get through. But 97, wow, what an awesome number. Good job, guys. So what I did is I looked at some of the Google Forms and some of the commonly missed questions. So this was the first Google Form you had from lesson 1, which was the different fanboys. And so this question was one that was missed quite often, that there is no conjunction in the sentence. His room is so messy, semicolon. I haven't found the brush yet. In this case, the word so is an adverb telling you how messy his room is. And I put that in there on purpose. Don't forget, just because you see the word doesn't mean it always has the correct job. We really got to put our thinking caps on. So what's actually separating these 2 clauses, those 2 complete thoughts, is just that semicolon. For question number 4, this one is or. Not many of you chose for, so that's good. I just wanted to remind you that if you're using the word for like we do in this sentence, it's a preposition. It's not a conjunction. We only would consider for to be a conjunction if it's replaced by the word because. And this is still a conjunction even though it's not separating clauses, it's separating words. Tacos, roast beef, or salmon. And then just a lot of times we forget about the word nor. A lot of us want to say or, but when we have something negative like not or never, like Alicia did not have her skates nor her gear for practice today, the grammatically correct word in that blank would be nor. A lot of times writers even just do or, but you want nor there. And I don't know who put OE, but haha, funny. I make mistakes too. So for lessons 2 and 3, we took a look at different conjunctions. We looked at themos, we looked at swabbies, and then we talked about, more importantly, how to write these. Now, this question is the number one mistake I make, probably, that teachers make, that adults make, and that's when you have a swabby in the middle, like the word because. There is no comma. I don't know why. I agree, like I wish all the comma rules were consistent with all the different types of conjunctions, but this is a big one. So when you write, I like reading because it takes me to another world, there is no comma there. The top choice, I like reading period because it takes me to another world, is the number one reason teachers say don't start your sentences with the word because. If I just say because it takes me to another world, that's a fragment. And then the third choice, there's no comma before because. The next question also was a swabby conjunction with no comma in the middle. If you will eat all of my I will eat all my green beans if you douse them in butter. Again, swabbies in the middle do not get commas. It's very tricky, I understand, and I'm really proud of the 8 of you who got it right. Good job. And then the last one is, don't forget that, I think a lot of people saw this and I may have tricked you a little bit. She hit the ball, he ran home. Those are fine sentences. Now, you're in 5th grade. I wouldn't expect you to write an entire paper with those things, but you have 2 clauses, and they are combined in a way that they're actually not combined. You have 2 separate sentences. Many of you chose she hit the ball and he ran home. Even though it's short, it's still considered a run-on. You have 2 complete thoughts. She hit the ball. He ran home, 2 clauses. You switch subjects, you switch verbs. You have to have a comma there before the and. So, like I said, I'm really proud of each of you. Keep it up. The worksheet that you're going to do next is just another quick little review of the conjunctions that we learned. And then tomorrow we'll be on to interjections. Don't forget, I have office hours every day, 1 o'clock to 2. Stop in and say hi. I'd love to see you guys. Thanks.
That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly how I feel. That's exactly